It's not getting quite.
Maybe that's
I would try
Try
that. Yeah, I'd try that. I think that's
it's fortunate. She needs everything.
Don't cut off your leg, whatever you do.
I trust you.
There it is.
Try it.
It's got another layer.
Yeah, I see that.
Maybe the pick.
Man, I don't know if we can get, because you can see that metal right there. It's
Yeah,
not
there's
getting.
another layer. Just baseball swing that pick in there. Just see the inside.
You guys have a metal saw, don't you?
Yeah, it's on our ladder.
Yeah, our ladder's gone. They're on a car wreck
Yeah.
over there off of Main Expressway. We could maybe try something like that, but yeah.
How about prying that up instead of the door up?
Like get this plate off?
Yeah, just peg that plate. Just
You could get that plate off.
I mean, it's not pretty easy.
that looks like
Here, try
plastic.
to. Yeah, try to.
Look at that.
I don't think it wasn't even locked.
It may not even lock.
No, we never even tried it.
Hell, I don't even think that sucker was even locked. That's funny.
Some batteries.
Oh boy, they
drill
they're
bit.
worth something.
You got a drill bit.
Try before you fry, fellas.
So my ears are ringing and stuff. Good training, Reese. Good job, Papa.
Well, you guys can have that.
There's a dumpster right there.
Yeah, we'll toss in that dumpster.
Yeah, that's right.
Wild, wild.